Crash course on Manitoba Province, Canada. Welcome to Manitoba, a province nestled in the heart of Canada. Let's dive into the key aspects of this beautiful province. Geographical location. Manitoba is located in central Canada, sharing its borders with Saskatchewan to the west and Ontario to the east. It is known as the Gateway to the West, due to its strategic location in the prairie region. Capital. The capital city of Manitoba is Winnipeg, a vibrant and culturally diverse city. Winnipeg is the economic and cultural hub of the province, offering a wide range of attractions and activities. Population. Manitoba has a population of approximately 1.4 million people. The province is home to a diverse mix of cultures, including Indigenous communities such as the Cree, Ojibwe, and Dene. Economy. Manitoba's economy is diverse, with key industries including agriculture, manufacturing, mining, hydroelectric power generation, and tourism. The province is known for its agricultural production, particularly in wheat, canola, and other grains. Education. Manitoba has a strong education system, with universities, colleges, and research institutions offering a wide range of programs. The province is committed to providing quality education and opportunities for lifelong learning. Brief history. Manitoba has a rich history, with Indigenous peoples residing in the region for thousands of years. The province played a significant role in the fur trade era, attracting explorers and traders. In 1870, Manitoba became the fifth province to join the Canadian Confederation, marking an important milestone in its history. Cultures and politics. Manitoba is known for its diverse cultures and celebrates the contributions of Indigenous peoples and immigrant communities. The province operates under a parliamentary system, with a premier leading the government. Top 12 attractions in Manitoba. 1. The Forks National Historic Site. Explore the historic meeting place of the Assiniboine and Red Rivers, offering shops, restaurants, and cultural experiences. 2. Riding Mountain National Park. Discover a diverse ecosystem of forests, lakes, and grasslands, with opportunities for hiking, wildlife viewing, and camping. 3. Assiniboine Park and Zoo. Visit this urban park and zoo, home to a variety of animal species and beautiful gardens. 4. Churchill. Experience the thrill of polar bear watching and witness the majesty of beluga whales in their natural habitat. 5. Canadian Museum for Human Rights. Learn about the history and ongoing struggle for human rights through engaging exhibits and interactive displays. 6. Manitoba Museum. Immerse yourself in Manitoba's history, nature, and science through fascinating exhibits and artifacts. 7. Whiteshell Provincial Park. Explore this wilderness paradise with its pristine lakes, hiking trails, and stunning granite cliffs. 8. Lower Fort Garry National Historic Site. Step back in time and discover the history of the fur trade at this beautifully preserved fort. 9. Lake Winnipeg. Relax on the sandy shores of North America's sixth largest freshwater lake and enjoy various water activities. 10. Mennonite Heritage Village. Learn about the Mennonite culture and heritage through authentic exhibits, artifacts, and demonstrations. 11. Hecla Grindstone Provincial Park. Enjoy the tranquil beauty of this island park with its beaches, hiking trails, and wildlife. 12. Whiteshell River. Embark on a scenic canoe trip along the picturesque Whiteshell River, surrounded by stunning wilderness. Summary. Manitoba, with its diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, offers a wealth of experiences for visitors. From the urban delights of Winnipeg to the untamed wilderness of national parks, there is something for everyone. Explore the province's natural beauty, immerse yourself in its history and cultures, and create unforgettable memories in the heartland of Canada. In the land of Manitoba, where the rivers flow. A province of beauty and stories to behold. From Winnipeg's bustling streets to the wild Churchill's Call. Manitoba's wonders captivate one and all. The Forks stands as a meeting place, where history meets today. While Riding Mountain's grandeur takes your breath away. Assiniboine Park and Zoo, a haven for young and old. and the Canadian Museum for Human Rights, a story to be told. Churchill's polar bears roam, proud and free, as beluga whales dance in the vast sea. Manitoba Museum unveils the province's past, and Whiteshell's lakes and trails leave memories to last. Lower Fort Garry echoes tales of the fur trade, while Lake Winnipeg's shores invite a peaceful escapade. Mennonite Heritage Village shares a culture rich and strong, and Hecla Grindstone's beauty sings its own song. In the heart of nature, the Whiteshell River flows, a journey of serenity where the soul truly knows. Manitoba's attractions, a tapestry of delight, inviting you to explore from morning until night. So come to Manitoba, where adventures await. Discover its wonders, both big and great. From history to nature, from culture to more. The spirit of Manitoba, forever to adore. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of Canada lies Manitoba's grace, where rivers and prairies paint a breathtaking embrace. From Winnipeg's vibrant streets to Churchill's wild land, Manitoba's beauty, oh, it's truly grand. Chorus. Manitoba, a land of wonders untold, where stories of the past and nature unfold. From the Forks to Riding Mountain's peak, in Manitoba's embrace, adventure we seek. Verse 2. Assiniboine Park and Zoo, where wildlife roams. The Canadian Museum for Human Rights, a place we call home. Churchill's polar bears, majestic and free. Beluga whales in Churchill River's sea. Bridge. Manitoba Museum unveils history's tales. Whiteshell's beauty, where nature prevails. Lower Fort Garry and Lake Winnipeg's shore. Mennonite Heritage Village, culture to adore. Chorus. Manitoba, a land of wonders untold, where stories of the past and nature unfold. From the Forks to Riding Mountain's peak, in Manitoba's embrace, adventure we seek. Outro. In Manitoba's embrace, let's explore. A province of beauty, forever to adore. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?@=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.